Hey little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super funny and delicious. A funny burger.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
Let's grab our black markers and get started. First, let's start with two big, cute eyes. Add small circles inside for the pupils. Now, let's draw a funny mouth right below the eyes. Next, draw a big half circle over the face. This will be the top bun. Now let's add some tiny oval seeds on top. These are the sesame seeds. Under the bun, let's draw some wavy and curved lines to make the lettuce. Next, draw some curved lines for the onions and tomatoes. Then, draw a rectangle for the cheese slice. Below that, draw a thick, curved line for the burger patty. That's the meat part. And finally, draw the bottom bun. Another long, curved line. Nice job, everyone! Our funny burger is ready. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Here are my color pens. Let's use lots of bright, yummy colors. Say the colors with me. Yellow color.
Wow!
Light pink color. Pink color. Green color. Dark brown color. Brown color. Another shade of brown color. Our funny burger looks so colorful and tasty. Great job, little artists! Thanks for drawing with me today at Toddlers Art Hub. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and easy drawings. See you next time, little artists. Bye-bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.